President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has assured continued government support for Filipino seafarers as he led the graduation of the Philippine Merchant Marine Academy's Salighirang class of 2026. During the ceremony, the chief executive highlighted the administration's efforts to strengthen maritime education and safeguard the welfare of Filipino seafarers amid evolving global security challenges. IBC News correspondent Harley Valbuena has the report.
Cadets from the Philippine Merchant Marine Academy in Zambales shout in victory as they finally graduate after 4 years of studies and heavy training. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. served as guest of honor at the commencement exercises of PMMA Salighirang class of 2026. In his speech, the President recalled when the Philippines fell short on the certification system of European Maritime Safety Agency, putting at risk the jobs of 50,000 Filipino seafarers in the European Union. He assured this won't happen again.
We strengthen maritime education and training, improved certification systems, upgraded facilities and equipment, and work closely with our international partners to ensure that Philippine standards continue to meet global expectations.
Amid worsening geopolitical tensions, especially in the Middle East, the President assured that the government will continue to promote the safety of Filipino sailors. According to the Department of Migrant Workers, around 3,000 Filipino seafarers remain stranded in the Strait of Hormuz.
In this difficult situation, your safety and welfare remains our priority. Your government will always be within reach, ready to help.
A total of 327 cadets and 21 from graduate school took up their diplomas today. They will serve at the Philippine Navy Reserve Force, Philippine Coast Guard, and other maritime organizations. Midshipman Cadet First Class Mark Owen Trilles was hailed as valedictorian, receiving both the Presidential Sabre Award and the PCG Sabre Award. Trilles had tried 3 times before finally passing and entering the PMMA. He fought off quitting numerous times, but he remained steadfast in pursuit of his dream.
Failure is not the end of our journey. Sometimes, it is the process that prepares us for something greater.
President Marcos Jr. urged the new seafarers to uphold Philippine pride by embodying professionalism, dedication, and good reputation. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.